Start out with a piece of paper, the same size as that. Cut 2 pieces of fabric, the same size as this. Turn on the light table, switch is in the back. If it doesn't work, plug it in. And follow the cord. There we go. Take a piece of fabric, one of the two, and trace out all the black lines using a Sharpie. Now you can use a colored pencil or a Sharpie, doesn't really matter to me. This is yours, so I'm going to try color pencil. Try several until you find one that works out good for you. Once you are done with this step, you are ready to learn how to sew those lines. Should look like this when it's done. Basically playing connect the dots. Looks like Sharpie with just going like that worked the best. Alright, how to set up a sewing machine. So I'm going to break this. This is a spool thread. So you start out with a spool of thread. You see this? It comes off this way. Okay, so you mount that here. You put this on there. And then there's little arrows. So you start out with arrow 1, arrow 2, arrow 3, arrow 4, and you rotate this until this pops up. Then it goes around, then down, and it's going to go in back of this hook, just like that. There's a little hook right here. There's also a little hook right here. See if I can zoom in on that. So you can see the first hook. Here's the second hook. And then it goes right into the needle. So behind that hook, and then what I would do is cut the thread with a pair of scissors so it goes into the eye of the needle. This is probably the hardest thing for students to get, is how to get it to the eye of the needle. It's a dexterity thing, so you're not going to get it until you practice it. Focusing on that or not. So it should look like that. Okay, how do you fix the bottom one? Tear it apart. Here's my spindle. It should come off the spindle just like that. And I put it in. Hold this, put the thread behind this hook, hook right there. Grab this thread, roll this knob towards you. As you roll it towards you, and keep this taut, it will pick up the other thread and pull it out of the hole. And then you can grab that loop and pull it out just like that. So now you have two pieces of string, and it should always have two pieces of thread coming out just like that. If you have a preference, you could also put this piece down under the foot. It's up to you. And then you put back the little door, just like that. Now you're ready to sew. Anytime you screw it up, you might have to redo that, and you'll have to watch this video a few times. So I hope you enjoyed.